Welcome back to 50 Car. In a realm where artistry fuses with engineering, the 2025 Audi R8 bursts onto the scene with electrifying charisma and relentless performance, captivating car enthusiasts and casual viewers, including older audiences with its bold design and innovative technology. The R8's main features embody a potent blend of exquisite craftsmanship and racetrack-bred power, showcasing an unmistakable Audi DNA that thrills and inspires. Step by step, its exterior design commands attention. A sharply sculpted front grille exudes authority, while slim LED headlamps fuse seamlessly with sleek aerodynamic body contours that hint at streamlined agility. Its low, aggressive stance not only enhances stability, but also radiates confidence. Although its striking silhouette and refined details are pros, the high-polish finish may require extra care to maintain its pristine allure. And the low ride height might limit comfort on uneven roads. Inside, the cabin and dashboard exemplify a marriage between cutting-edge technology and premium comfort. A large, high-resolution central display orchestrates vehicle functions with intuitive ease, complemented by a digital instrument cluster that delivers crisp, real-time data. Meticulously crafted seats with luxurious materials provide enveloping support, while the minimalist yet sophisticated layout elevates the sensory experience. However, some purists may miss the tactile feedback of traditional controls. Under the hood, the performance of the R8 is as breathtaking as its appearance. A powerful engine propels the car to exhilarating speeds with rapid acceleration and remarkable top speeds, ensuring a dynamic driving experience that balances precision and thrill. The driving dynamics are finely tuned with responsive steering and a robust suspension system that instills confidence. Although potential buyers should be aware of high replacement costs for performance parts and limited warranty coverage on high-stress components. Market positioning places the 2025 Audi R8 among elite sports cars, with a price tag reflecting its luxury status and targeting affluent buyers aged 30 to 60. It stands tall against competitors like the Porsche 911 and Ferrari models while delivering a unique blend of performance and practicality. Additional features include advanced safety systems, bespoke accessory packages, and an extended warranty option, making it an enticing choice for those seeking uncompromising performance and elegance.